So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to talk about how you can change your circumstance or your outfit. If you're interested in a video like that, please keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Like I said, in this video, I want to talk about how you can change your circumstance or your outfit. If you do not know who I am, my name is Amber Turner and I am the author of You Choose Your Outfit, with choose being the big, powerful word right there, and outfit being the metaphor for your reality and experience. I'm also the CEO of Girl Censored, and you can find out more about Girl Censored at girlcensored.com. It's actually our women's apparel line, and we believe in expressing ourselves through fashion, and that means be bold, be loud, and be confident. Yes, so if you're interested in learning more about that, definitely check us out on our website. So in this video, I want to talk about how to change your circumstance, how to change your situation, or how to change your outfit. So a lot of times, if we've come to a place in our life where we're looking for a breakthrough and we're looking to change our life in some sort of way, we oftentimes don't know where to start. A lot of times we do find ourselves on autopilot, doing the same things, meeting the same people, and that's what it is. So in this video, I want to talk about how you can change your circumstance, your situation, or your outfit that's going to be a better reflection of the life that you want to create and the life that you want to build for yourself. Moving on. So I want to offer 4 ways that you can change your circumstance or your outfit. So number 1 is to read books. And I'm not talking about just any books, but books that, let's try this again. I am having such a hard time with this camera today. So number 1 is to read books. And I'm not talking about any kind of books. I'm talking about books that help you craft the life that you want for yourself. The things that you see for your life. So things that specifically speak to you, not just any books, read books that specifically speak to you. Now, I've done a video on books that have changed my life, and I'll link that below, but how you want to change your mindset, because it really starts with changing your mindset and how you think. So books that are going to do that for you. And shameless plug, a great suggestion, You Choose Your Outfit. Okay, I'll leave the link below for that one too. And so number 2 is scripting. And I've done a video on this as well. Scripting is an amazing law of attraction tool that's going to help you shape, craft, cultivate the life that you want for yourself, or design your outfit, so to speak. But scripting is an amazing tool, and honestly, to me, I'm such a big proponent for it because it's fun. It's so fun to do, because essentially you are writing the perfect story of your life, like what you want to see, and it just gets your imagination going. It gets you thinking outside the box, and it gets you thinking about things that you never thought about before. And I think it's important for us to think in those ways, to use our imagination to create the life that we want, because we are obviously inundated with what our reality looks like now. So it's hard for us to see or imagine a reality that's not our reality. So using scripting as a tool to help you think outside the box and actually craft the life that you want, design that life that you see for yourself, is a great way to change your circumstance and your outfit. And number 3 is to start making different choices. And this one is huge. I should have put this as number 1, but this one is big. And you might be thinking, yeah, of course, start making different choices, but that's easier said than done. For me, I have to literally talk to myself about making different choices for my life, because your girl has a temper, or had a temper, still kind of have a temper. And so when things happen, for example, I can give an example today. Someone was supposed to come to my house and perform something on my car because it needed to be fixed. Now, they ended up coming early, which I did not like, because I'm very systematic with my life, and every moment of my day is pretty much doing something. I'm never idle. I'm always doing something. So when things are thrown off like that, I'm not a happy camper. And so usually, especially in the past, I would get an attitude and I would let the person know, hey, this is not the time that you were supposed to be here. But instead, I made the conscious choice to not be that way, not to be that old Amber. And honestly, it turned out way better than, well, not way better, but it wasn't bad. Because if I had let that attitude out, it would have not probably worked out in my favor. Did that sound right? But it's just making those different choices that's going to lead you to creating that life that you see for yourself. And so making different choices, whether it's the people you surround yourself with, whether it's just not getting angry or upset, whether it's the, exercising, whatever choice it is for you to help you create the life that you want, it's really having to think about the choices. And someone said, and I can't recall who said this, but it was such an amazing quote or saying that they said, is to pray before you speak. Pray before the choices that you make. Yes, pray before the choices that you make. Pray before you speak. And that changed my life, because that really is like, before I say something, before I act, I think and make a choice. I am in control of my mind, and I have to know, listen, Amber, you have a choice to make here. Make it for your greatest good. So making different choices is number 3. And so number 4 is forgive and release. This one is huge. This one is big. And maybe I should have made that one number 1, but I say this because oftentimes the reason why we're in the place that we are and the circumstances are the way that they are and we might not like them is because of that. We are holding on to anger, we're holding on to certain things that don't need to be held on to. They need to be released. You need to forgive people that have done you wrong. Forgive situations that happened in your past. And that, my friends, is going to help you move forward and create the life that you want. A lot of times when it comes to the life that is manifested in our current reality, it's because we're holding on to things. We're holding on to things. We're holding on to, situations, and we keep recreating that into our current reality. So you have to release that stuff. The stuff that you don't want to see in your reality, the stuff that you do not like, you have to release it. You have to forgive. Now, that being said, of course, it's easier said than done, but definitely make the effort. And if you feel like you haven't really truly forgiven, keep on with the keep it on. I'm telling you, it's worth it. And, it's a hard thing to do, because we can say the words of forgiveness and I forgive you, and that is in the past. But if it's in the mind, we don't forgive them. And if we're holding people accountable to things that they did, and that's not forgiveness. That is not true forgiveness. And so in order to create an amazing life, create an amazing, sexy outfit, you gotta forgive. You gotta release that stuff and move forward. That is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. I do videos on business, life, and everything in between. I also have a new book out, You Choose Your Outfit. I mean, you got to know at this point that that's my book at this point. Definitely follow What's Going On Colorado, the podcast on Facebook and Instagram. We just filmed that podcast yesterday, and definitely follow us for more. Super excited about that project. But anyways, you guys, I hope you are having an amazing day, and I will check you in the next video. Peace.